welcome back to another error video. If you are facing Netflix error code f7701-1003, don't worry about it. In this video, I will tell you how to fix this problem. So keep the video till the end and follow my step to fix the problem. First, when you are facing this problem, go to the drop down menu and click on the setting. Now scroll down and go to the digital rights management DRM content. This option should be checked. If it is unchecked, then check it and check the problem. If the problem persists, then next is again go to the drop down menu and click on the help. Now click on the about Firefox and update your browser. If already updated, then check the problem. If this is not help, then next is go to the privacy and security. And now go to the cookies and site data and clear site data once and check the problem. After doing this step, if it persists, then next is again go to the drop down menu and click on the new private windows and now search your Netflix and log in from here. So by this way you can fix the problem. I hope this video is useful for you. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe to our channel and share with friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.